All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. It's time to talk about none other than Kaspa, because Kaspa is doing something that, we've been expecting on our channel. So let's waste no more time and talk about what really is next. If we're looking at the entire market right now, we are seeing Bitcoin making a move towards the upside. We just had 2 hours back Bitcoin make its move back above the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, but you guys can see the wick did not last too long, similar to what we saw back on November 2nd. But that is causing a lot of momentum shifting in Bitcoin once again, and of course the Bitcoin dominance is picking up once again. But what is next for Kaspa? That is the question that you guys have right now, and that is what these daily analysis are really here for. We sit here as a community, really talk about what is happening in the immediate short term. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the price of Kaspa right now, it's currently sitting at 6.8 cents, up 5.7% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 4.9% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. If you guys are looking at its market cap, it's currently sitting at $1.46 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 33.3 million. And you guys can see this for yourself. 2 hours ago, we have seen once again a new all-time high for Kaspa. You can't make this up. Momentum is there. A lot of speculation going on when this OKX announcement is going to come true. And forget about the OKX announcement. This could also be an indication that there's probably other centralized tier 1 exchanges that are picking up Kaspa and that we do not know of. We don't know what's going on behind the scenes every time. There could be more exchanges that are picking up Kaspa right now, which could also be an indication as to why we're seeing such a positive increase within the price. Of course, there's a hype factor to it. We know Kaspa is one of the hottest coins of this bull cycle. A lot of people are talking about it, but there are a lot of other factors that go into it as well that we do not know of. So a lot of factors that need to go into when we're looking at the charts. But before we get into the charts, I just wanted to share this with you guys so you guys can see. I do daily polls with my community members, and you can see about 20 hours back I posted this: which project do you really consider as the ETH killer? And the amount of people that came out and said Kaspa is insane. So that shows us the community is really strong. And of course you can see this for yourself. I also said what a day, which coin will be the top performer this month. You can see 14% think VeChain, Solana 22%, Kaspa 28%, and XRP 31%. So there's a battle going on between XRP and Kaspa. People think that XRP is going to be the leader. I kind of agree that Kaspa will outpace XRP. The reason why I think that is the case is because, of course, the market cap difference between CAS and XRP. There's a daylight difference for that. But now let's take a look at the price, see what is happening and what is yet to come in the upcoming days ahead of us. As always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at this, once again, it's no secret at this point, I continue to get impressed as to how this chart is looking. This is a dream chart. This is literally considered a dream chart because this is what investors wish for when it comes to the space. Come on, guys, let's face it. If you picked up some Kaspa just on September 22nd, forget about September 22nd. Let's just even think about at the beginning of the year. Okay, so that's fair, right? If you picked it up, it was at 0.005 cents at that point. So beginning of the year to this day, as we are almost closing out the year of 2023, you are up right now 14x. You can't make this up. 14x. And now you may be saying it's already up so much, but guess what? This is the start to the masses to know about it. So let's see on the closer time frames to see what we could be expecting in the upcoming days ahead of us. So if I'm bringing out the hourly time frame, really gives us a better understanding as to what is happening with the price. So once again, we saw a new all-time high literally at 7 cents. You can't make this up. 2 targets I was talking about, and as a matter of fact, those 2 targets have been hit. First was, of course, 6.5 cents, and then I said said, 7 cents target could be coming in the few days, and there you go. We did see today, as of November 7th, what a coincidence, November 7th we reached 7 cents price, and of course we're seeing a correction, psychological point. I keep telling you guys, 7 cents is a psychological point, and of course there is futures trading that goes into play where manipulation can occur. So you can see this for yourself. Only a 3% correction. Of course, profit taking is happening. That's also a factor as to why we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, and also dominance picking up and Bitcoin seeing a rejection at the 0.50. These are some factors that go into account as well. But overall, guys, Kaspa continues to hold really strong. And right now, if I were to show you guys a weekly time frame, right now it's considered in the 0.50 Fibonacci retrace. I'm sorry, not 0.50, 23.6 fib level here. Let me show you guys this right now. Oopsies, this is not what we need. Oh God, this is not it. We need the fib retracement. All right, so you can see this for yourself. Let me give you guys an example as to what I'm really saying. So basically, whenever we're in this red zone, this is considered the all-time high zone. That's how I consider it. And whenever the price is within this range, it's looking to always try to break out more towards the upside depending on the buying pressure. There really is. Of course, we're seeing the buying pressure increasing over the past few days, which is great to see, and we're very close to breaking towards an all-time high. If it's able to break out in the 7 cents resistance, guess what? There's no resistance at the top, and it could really run up depending on how much buying pressure there really is. So at this point, I know a lot of people are projecting 10 cents, but guys, 10 cents is, not anywhere close. Let's remember that is still about 50% move. And I'm not saying that's not happening. I still think there is a strong possibility that we could be happening, but we still need a few more days before we, continue this upwards trend. I think there will be a time where we might start seeing a consolidation unless, now hear me out, unless we hear Kaspa come out and announce that there's more centralized exchanges that are listing it. Of course, that changes everything, and we could be heading more towards 8 cents to 9 cents. But right now, one thing that we could even like to see is if it trades within this red zone. If it just trades sideways even between the zone, that's totally fine. That's a healthy correction. Wait, let's see. I don't know, it got frozen on our end, but anyways, we need the chart and it's there for us. So basically, even if we're able to trade within this range, that is totally fine. That is considered a healthy sideways momentum, because remember guys, we're not going to see a continuation of upside. We're seeing a similar pattern playing out. You guys can see we have a massive run, consolidation, massive run, consolidation, and massive run, consolidation. So we could be expecting a minor retracement coming in. So these are some factors that you do need to keep in mind right now. But let me know down below what you guys think. Overall, things are looking insane for Kaspa, and thank you so much to each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of support. And also let me know what you guys think, where you could see Kaspa trading at before the year of 2023 comes to an end. That's what I want to know from you guys. Let me know in the comment section. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.